Hi, Xavier. Today we're going to be reading about airplanes. Have you ever seen an airplane in the sky? Maybe you've heard one before. I love airplanes. I want to fly one someday. I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. That sounds like fun. I like to read about airplanes. I have a lot of books. I like to draw airplanes. I hang up my pictures. Do you like to draw anything? I like to look at airplanes. I have a lot of posters. I can even make paper airplanes. They really fly. Have you ever made a paper airplane? I wonder how far they can fly. I show my class. Everyone makes an airplane. Wow, that sounds like a fun day at school. Miss Locke says we can study airplanes. She says I can help teach. Oh, how fun is that? So now there's two comprehension questions. Comprehension means your understanding. So, we just read about airplanes. So the first question is, where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built? Do you remember where he puts them once he builds the toy airplanes? Well, let's take a look. On this page, we can see he's building the toy airplane. And it says, I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. So the answer to the question of where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built is in his room. Now, the second question is, what do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes? Well, that's a really good question. What do you think will happen? So this shows the class and everybody's making an airplane. And this tells us Miss Locke says that they can study airplanes. And she says that he can help. So what do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes? Well, I think they'll be excited to see him helping teach the lesson on airplanes. What do you think?